In this YT Marketer review, I'm going to be showing you a comprehensive system created by a millionaire YouTube marketer that's going to teach you how to have a fully monetized YouTube channel earning money from ads and affiliate offers really quickly. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out YT Marketer, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And also click that subscribe button and bell notification. The last thing before we take a look here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses for you if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says in-depth case studies show you the secrets to getting monetized and ranking on YouTube. In less than 1 month, you can have a fully monetized YouTube channel earning income from ads, affiliate offers, and much more. What are you waiting for? This is an in-depth course taught by a seven-figure YouTube marketer. It says you can get monetized in as little as 30 days, brand new channel monetized in 14 days, brand new channel monetized in 17 days, brand new channel monetized in 9 days, brand new channel monetized in 16 days, already $68 in ad revenue from this one right here. You can see here some testimonials from actual students. My channel just got accepted. Happy New Year, everyone. Another person accepted here. Woohoo, I didn't even check this on Friday and this was approved. 2 more channels approved with 1 minute difference in email notification. Tons of people, look at this one here. Channel created on 11/4, 11/13, reached 1,000 subscribers, 11/16 applied for monetization, 11/17 approved for monetization. That's from the 4th to 17th approved for monetization so that the channels can actually make money. Tons and tons of people here. Look at this one here. Here's one of his channels that consistently gets $60 to $80 CPMs and has even reached $155 CPM. This one made $4,000 here. Pretty crazy here. Full case study from position 23 to 3 in less than an hour. You can see another one here. Watch I ranked number 3 in less than a day for this product review on a new YouTube channel. So more ones here from position 32 to number 1 in just 20 minutes. Full case study included. All this for anyone who wants to actually learn how to make money from a YouTube channel and how to do this. So if that's something that you're interested in, pay attention here. I'm going to play you a quick video showing you a little bit more about this. Then I'll be back to show you the OTOs.
Hey guys, my name is Chris and I am the creator of YT Marketer, and in this video what I want to do is take you inside of my course and show you exactly what you're going to get. Now, if you don't know who I am, I've been in YouTube marketing since about 2013, full-time, earning 6 figures a year. In fact, this year I will actually be earning 7 figures between the revenue from my ads on my YouTube accounts and from affiliate sales. And that's exactly what I'm going to be teaching in YT Marketer, is how to do that. So inside of my course here, this is the membership area. And there's a training section. There's also a Facebook group. If you decide to join that, it is going to be a monthly membership because that's where I'm going to be sharing details about my own YouTube channels, new things that I'm learning, what I'm doing, as well as you earning prizes. So if we scroll down through here, YT Marketer is broke up into 2 different sections. The first one is monetizing a YouTube channel. So for those of you who have been trying to get a YouTube channel monetized with YouTube ads so you can earn from every view of your videos, I'm going to show you how you can do that in as fast as 9 days. In fact, I have a full case study in this section that shows you how I took a brand new YouTube channel from beginning to end and had it monetized in 9 days. And you're going to see how after just a few days after that, I was already earning revenue from the ads and affiliate commissions from products that I'm promoting on these YouTube channels. So if we go through here, you can look at the training and see what you're going to get. I'm going to go through and explain everything about setting up a YouTube channel. So if you're new to YouTube, don't worry about it. I'm going to take you through step by step, show you how to get everything set up on it. I'm going to show you how to customize your channel. I talk about creating videos and the types of videos you need to have in order to be monetized. There's certain types of videos that YouTube really likes. It's what they're looking for. And if you're doing something other than this, there's a good chance you may not get monetized. I want to show you also how to outsource videos if you don't want to create them yourself. I go over the process of uploading videos, how to properly optimize them, I'm also going to show you how I get the watch time and the subscribers really fast to get my accounts approved for monetization. I set up a whole second YouTube channel and go over this process again so you can see exactly what I'm doing and that it does work over and over again. In fact, you're going to see the videos that I'm uploading to these channels. You're going to see how I upload the videos. Everything is step by step over the shoulder, and I'm not leaving anything out. I even added an update video in here where I take you into both of these YouTube channels over the period from beginning to end as they're getting monetized so you can see what's going on with them. The getting approved video is going to show you just that. It's going to talk about the things that YouTube looks for when they manually review your account and how to get your account set up and ready to be approved manually. After that, I'm going to give you an update with my 3-week results on these two channels, how they're already earning income from both revenue from ads as well as affiliate commissions. Then I'm going to talk about the analytics and the different types of ads you can have on your YouTube channel, and then the recommended niches you should be involved in if you want the highest CPM possible for earnings. CPM is basically how much advertisers are going to pay per 1,000 views, and depending on the niche you pick, this can be as low as $2 per 1,000 views, or I even have some channels that range between $60 and $80 CPM, all the way up to points where I've hit up to $155 CPM. The next part of this training, I'm going to be taking you inside and showing you how I rank YouTube videos. So for many of you, you've seen that I've done launch jacking in the past. I've won numerous competitions over and over again simply because I would outrank all of my competitors. In about 2016, 2017, I started my own YouTube ranking service. I now have clients all over the world, both individuals and businesses, who buys my services for me to rank their videos, and I'm going to show you how I do that in this section. So first, we're going to go over understanding YouTube and the algorithm so you know what YouTube looks for when ranking videos. Then I'm going to go into the proper optimization of your videos that's going to help them to even get ranked more and for more keywords. In the Boost Your Rankings video, that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do with any video you upload on your YouTube channel. And for those that are more competitive of keywords, I'm going to show you how to use CTR or click-through rate to drastically increase your rankings in YouTube for your videos. And I prove this with a second case study of where I upload a video on a newer YouTube channel that only has 5 other videos, and I'm able to move it from position 32 all the way up to number 2 in just 20 minutes. And you're going to see everything step by step. Every one of these videos is loaded with content and tips and tricks that I've learned over the past 7 to 8 years to rank my videos and build a 7-figure-a-year business. And now I'm passing it on to you. And if you join me in the Facebook group, you're going to be walking side by side along with me throughout this whole process, so where we can all grow together. If this is something you know for sure you want to do, then get started now by clicking the button below. And by the time you get done with this training, you're going to be wondering why I didn't charge 5 times what I am for this course.
Okay, so we are back. So for OTOs, there are no upsells. They do have a opportunity for a VIP Facebook group within the members area. That's $37 a month, but that's something that you're offered later on here. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee. You don't have to show your face on camera. You should use your own voice though, so you don't have to have your face, but you should use your own voice here for your videos. Will you have to spend any money? It says here that you can spend as little as $5 or $50 depending on how fast you want to grow your channel here. And some of the strategies taught in this course are advanced and black hat. He says they are the same strategies I've used for years to get an edge over my competition and build a massive 7-figure business on YouTube. So there are some stuff in here that are a little bit black hat, but of course he's teaching you how to do this, and most of the stuff is the right way here. So those are all the OTOs. Pretty much there's none of them, so you don't have to pick any of them. Okay, so what do I like about YT Marketer and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, like he talked about that black hat stuff. I don't like doing black hat stuff. I want to do things by the book. So just be aware that he has some stuff that might be a little bit sneaky. What do I like about this? I love the fact that Chris is a marketer that's actually doing this. He's made a lot of money with this. If you're looking to make a profitable YouTube channel, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at YT Marketer, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.